Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. It's Mila 7 by Ting Tong. It's number 1. There's your bitting on the key. And key works fine. We're going to try to get in this bad boy. It's kind of a crookedy keyway there. Kind of like a Yale style keyway. I can get a good wrench in there and let's get a shot. Let's see about getting around those corners. I got a deep false set just right there. Whatever I hit. I must have hit something right. Ooh. Getting a little, I don't know if it's counter or me turning. That feels like counter. But it's not doing anything. Maybe I'm not on the pin right. But no, it just locked it all back. So maybe that wasn't counter. It was just me getting around the corner. I don't know what I did wrong there. Might have overset or something. Let's try it again. Try to get down here into these. Okay, I got that default set back. I got something right up here. Oh, I got to click there on 1. Uh-oh. I got to click there, back on, I think it was 4 or 5. Now we'll go back and see what we can find. Getting a little counter right here. Uh-oh, I slid off. Oh, I think I got it. Let's see what we got up. We got anything else? No. I don't feel anything else. Let's see what we got. Oh, kind of stuck there. Right here in front. Okay. Got one right there in front. Almost lost my tension wrench doing it. Looks like I got one back here. Oh, and we're open. There we go. We have an open. All right. Wow, that's a fighter. Okay. Well, I got the shakes now. Dog. See if we can get this. Don't lock. Just hold still. Yeah, you get like that. Shoot, I got the shakes bad. I don't know why. All of a sudden. There we go. We got that off. Okay. Get my excitement. Excitement, I actually got it. I don't know. Ooh. Can't be that far over. Gonna have to go kind of like that. All right. Oof. And let's see what we got. Okay. Alrighty. Ooh. I'm not seeing any modifications at all in there. But I do see I gotta quit shaking. Two that are upside down here, I think. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, all right. So we'll look at those in a little bit. And now we'll go up top. I want to use that end. Okay, tweezer time, which I'm not real good at. Uh-oh, the sun went behind the clouds again. And I can't see, so I'm going to hold on right here. Going to affix my cheap little light right up here on the... Now give it a couple of little clickies. And see what we got. Ooh. Nice. Tell you what, I can come back for the springs. I don't want to have to dig them out. I don't have to. Another nice spoolie spool. This looks like a serrated pin. Get it up out of there. Can't. Okay, that goes around the other direction, so there we go. All right. And they're all like spools. So we have some springs in here, I think. That's not the one. Get up there. Wind blew my screen door shut if you heard that. Thank you. Well, that one just doesn't want to really come out. Oh, there it comes. This could take all day. Is it worth it? Not really, but hey, what can I say? I wonder if I can get that one. It kind of reminds you of the game of Operation. Don't touch the sides. I would never pass that game today with my shakes. Shoot. I just want to say again, I really appreciate all you guys putting up with hanging in there with me and through all my work that I've been doing and absenteeism. Okay, that last one's in there. Yeah, there it goes. So I didn't feel any modifications in the top whatsoever either. So this is all what we got. I hope some of that was on camera. That would have been nice. Okay, you quit on me too? No. Yeah, I don't see any modifications whatsoever. Okay, so this is Mila 7 by Ting Tong. And here are your pins. Try to get them up here. On the top, 2 spools, kind of like micro serrated here and wider serrations there. It's like a spool with little kind of almost a T-pin below it, and then almost a barbell looking spool with a smaller weight in the middle, you know. And you got a little sharp tip right there on this T-pin, and you got a little spoolish kind of, and a couple serrated, a standard and a standard. This is upside down. I'll put it right when I put it back together. And these are your springs, guys. So thanks for watching. Everybody stay legal and have fun. Thanks, guys. Bye.